My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Oriental rug area carpet that's made in India. Handmade. Well known in the world. Are excellent quality. Today I have in my warehouse a beautiful rug. Then it smells so bad from cat urine odor. Cat urine is very difficult to remove. However, I developed a cleaning process that changed the way how the industry of the carpet cleaner clean Oriental rug and remove the urine odor naturally. No chemicals, no scrubber, no squeezy or dust buster or centrifuge machine. I clean the Oriental rug through the rug with the organic cleaning product. Compare my cleaning process to the rest of the world. The only service that I provide is urine odor removal from Oriental rug and drapery. I received more than 110 reviews, all of them 5 stars on Google. It's proof that my cleaning process it's well working. It's working and removing the urine odor without depositing any unpleasant smell such as vanilla deodorize or Febreze or something to confuse you till I cash the check. No, I clean it natural. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the machine working. The reaction between the natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea, then it is acid, with all the cleaning product that you used in the past, soap, deodorize, enzyme, whatever, all of those cleaning product plus the peepee, alkaline. The reaction between the Dead Sea and alkaline ignite the steam, and this is how I eliminate the urine odor completely. Please stay tuned and look how I fold Oriental rug for shipping. Fold the rug so the face of the rug will face down. It means the back of the rug facing to the ceiling. Fold the rug as I'm doing in a video, and when it's complete, take a pictures of the package. Text me the size of the package and I will email you the UPS label. Guarantee in writing no trace of any odor upon delivery. I guarantee it. It's my word. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee. Thank you for watching. 1986, I published the book Desert Birds of Israel. 2007, I published an exhibition in downtown Fort Lauderdale, Birds of the Everglades. Birds take a big role of my cleaning process. I've been many times in a Dead Sea. This is how I discover the power of this cleaning process. PetPeePee. Please visit mayormartin.com.